Some tough questions right now for Mansfield's police chief after an officer punches a 68-year-old man repeatedly during a traffic stop. We already showed you body cam video of that incident. Now, 19 investigator Mike Mason presses the chief on why he accepted the officer's report without first reviewing that video.
Hey folks, welcome to another very fun night of Chief Arthur Review. Yesterday I did my first video out of I don't know how many, but a lot, and I didn't do it live stream. Folks, I'm back to you tonight with a live stream. So in the future, we'll be doing some new and exciting things here, but tonight I got a really good barn burner. This one really ticks me off, okay? This one hits on all cylinders here for me. 35-year veteran member, law enforcement, 20 as a chief of police, and this goes to the very of integrity as a chief, okay? The officer on here, no-brainer. Excessive force. You remember, I call them criminal cops. Call it the way I see it. That's what he is. And he decides to assault and pick on a 68-year-old man. Wow, tough. Even before that, guess what? It's shocking to you, I know this, but this cop even had a prior DUI. .184, folks. He stopped FiRE trooper. Good job, trooper, for taking him in. But apparently it didn't matter to this chief in Mansfield. I wonder how much publicity that got before. Probably not much. So guess where, folks? It's not even the officer. It's the chief. Guess what? City manager, mayor, whoever. What are you doing? What are you doing? You are the exact reason, the epitome of why we, the people out here, okay, including me, former cop, other cops, current cops, need to speak up about this crap. Why 68-year-old people still get hurt and others killed because of your decisions and your ineptness in managing departments and cities, apparently, okay? That's why I like live stream, folks. We're going to get more and more of us on there. Here's what we need to do, though, folks. I am just short of 500 subscribers. It doesn't sound like a lot to these big, huge channels, but we'll be there one day, okay? That's what we need to do. I fought these guys my entire career. I will applaud good cops. We say that all the time, right? Applaud good cops, hold bad ones accountable, okay? It is all about no spin, just the truth. That's what we do here, okay? Let's get into this one. Enough of that crap. Watch this. It will make you sick.
Mansfield police officer Joshua Adamescu pulled over this truck on May 20th around 1:30 a.m. He said the driver, Dreama Henderson, was blocking the intersection.
Okay, you stopped on the stop bar, okay?
Calvin Caldwell was in the passenger seat. 15 minutes later, he was in an ambulance.
He ready to beat me, pulling my... Bro, this dude could have killed me, man.
The 68-year-old claims Adamescu punched him repeatedly for no reason.